These are your integrated math 2, section 2.2.3 notes. Our learning targets, please write these down. 1, given one angle of reference and one side length of a right triangle, I can use the sine ratio to find missing side length. And 2, given two side lengths of a right triangle, I can use the inverse sine to determine the measure of an acute angle within a right triangle. So the topic again is right triangle trig. And again, write this down before, if you need to pause the video, pause the video. All right, example number 1. We know SO, CA, TOA to help us determine which trig ratio to use. We know that S stands for sine, O is the opposite side, H is the hypotenuse. Here's our example. We have a right triangle. Our angle of reference is 39 degrees. So this side here is the opposite, side D, and we know the hypotenuse is opposite the right angle, so this is the hypotenuse. So we're going to say the sine of 39 degrees equals opposite over hypotenuse, so D over 24. So then we can figure out the sine of 39. Make sure your calculator's in degree mode. Sine of 39, I get 0.6293 equals D over 24. So if I solve this as an algebraic equation, I simply multiply both sides by 24 to get D by itself. Or we can set up as a proportion, and I cross multiply. I get D equals 24 times 0.6293. So 24 times 0.6293 is going to be 15.1. So this would be 15.1. All right, and we know it should be less than the hypotenuse, which is 24. All right, so that's similar to what we did with tangent, just we had to identify the trig ratio as sine. All right, example 2, we're going to do the inverse sine when we're trying to find a missing angle, and we have the two side lengths given are going to be the opposite and the hypotenuse. So here's our angle G, 13 is the opposite side or opposite leg, and 19 is the hypotenuse. So we're going to say the sine of angle G equals 13 over 19. All right, we're going to convert this to a decimal. So we're going to say the sine of angle G equals, I go 13 divided by 19 on my calculator. I get 0.6842. We're going to go to the nearest 10,000th place, so 4 decimal places in, or 4 places in from the decimal point, I should say. All right, so now we need to find the angle measure, so we're going to use the inverse sine to do that. So we're going to say the measure of angle G equals the inverse sine of 0.6842. You use your calculator. I'm at second sine, which is inverse sine, and I go 0.6842. And I get my answer. The measure of angle G equals 43.17 degrees. 43.17, or you can say 43.2 degrees. So that's it for using the sine and inverse sine ratios. Our next one will be on cosine and inverse cosine.